Nvidia just announced that they will be launching Nvidia Picasso, a cloud-based service for building and deploying generative AI-powered images, videos, and 3D applications. Join me in today's video as we explore what Nvidia's Picasso is capable of. So jumping right into it, we can see that on their homepage here on gpu-cloud/Picasso, it kind of talks about what they're going to be bringing, and you can get notified when this application is actually available. So what is Nvidia Picasso? It's a cloud service for building generative AI-powered visual applications. Enterprises, software creators, and service providers can run interference on their models, train NVIDIA Edify Foundation models on proprietary data, and start from pre-trained models to generate image, video, and 3D content from text prompts. Picasso's service is fully optimized for GPUs and streamlines training, optimization, and interference on NVIDIA DGX Cloud. So although that might sound a little bit complicated, as well as this little model right here, let's just scroll down a little bit. I'm going to show you guys a video that's going to break that down at the end of the video, so keep that in mind. It's just going to be a 1-minute video that's going to explain all that. But let's take a look at their text-to-image, their text-to-video, and text-to-3D. So these are their state-of-the-art generative AI foundation models. Organizers and developers can train NVIDIA's Edify models on their proprietary data or get started with models pre-trained with our premier partners. So they have text-to-image, expert denoising network to generate photorealistic 4K images, text-to-video, temporal layers, and novel video denoiser generates high-fidelity videos with temporal consistency, and then text-to-3D, novel optimization framework for generating 3D objects and meshes with high-quality geometry. So we're pretty used to text-to-image as we have Midjourney, and Midjourney just launched their V5 even, but text-to-video and text-to-3D will be something pretty new. So you can supercharge your applications with generative AI. They have some big partnerships with Adobe, Getty Images, and Shutterstock. So that's going to help them with their 3D assets, and they're going to be trained on these images. And then we have some customer success stories here. Runway uses generative AI to generate video in any style. Wombo, Sehon Lee. If you guys want to learn more about this, definitely check out this page here. And then they have more resources here where you can watch their keynotes or find out more about NVIDIA Picasso. So let's just jump into this 1-minute video that's going to explain to you exactly how everything works. So it's a foundation models creates 3D images. So this image is going to be of a cat.
Generative AI is
very colorful cat. This is a bioluminescent jellyfish.
But to realize its full potential,
it's going to be looking pretty awesome. And then the 3D model, of course. So very simple prompts, it seems like, to get some pretty detailed images.
Picasso is a cloud service for building and deploying generative AI-powered image, video, and 3D applications. With it, enterprises, ISVs, and service providers can deploy their own models. We are working with premier partners to bring generative AI capabilities to every industry. Organizations can also start with NVIDIA Edify models and train them on their data to create a product or service. These models generate images, videos, and 3D assets. To access generative AI models, applications send an API call with text prompts and metadata to Picasso. Picasso uses the appropriate model running on NVIDIA DGX Cloud to send back the generated asset to the application.
So hopefully that gave you a little better understanding of how NVIDIA Picasso is going to be leveraged by different companies. Personally, as an individual creator who uses, Canva, Photoshop, Midjourney to create graphic design images and videos, I'm extremely excited for NVIDIA Picasso because I know it's going to be a game changer. I mean, imagine having a book and then completely transcribing that into a movie instantly. I mean, think about the game changing that it comes to that. And then think about the 3D models that we can build. I mean, think about how many businesses are going to be able to benefit from these 3D models, let alone the business ideas I just told you about, turning books to videos or movies. Text to image, they'll have to be competing with Midjourney, and we'll see if they have better images than Midjourney, because with their V5 model, Midjourney's images are very realistic. So I'm interested to see how this compares to Microsoft's platform and also obviously Midjourney. If you appreciate me keeping you guys up to date with all the latest AI news, drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks.